The objective of Wordle is to figure out a 5-letter word puzzle using clues about which letters are in the word and where in the word they appear. The daily Wordle puzzle is a 5x6 grid of squares. Once you start, you'll have 6 chances to guess the word. Use your keyboard or the clickable keyboard under the puzzle grid to enter any 5-letter word in the top row. If you're satisfied with your word, hit Enter. The letters in the word will change color to reveal your first set of clues. If a letter tile turns gray, that means it doesn't appear in the word of the day. If a tile turns yellow, that means that letter is in the word, but it's not in the correct location. Finally, if a tile turns green, that means you've correctly guessed both the letter and its location in the word. Use the clues you got from the first word to fill in the second row on the grid. This time, don't use any of the letters that turn gray in the first row, since you've already ruled them out. If you got a letter that turned yellow, you can use it again, but try it in a different position this time. However, if you got a green letter, use it in the same place you did last time. As you work your way down the grid, use the process of elimination to figure out which letters are correct and where they go, until you're able to guess the correct word. Keep in mind, a letter can appear in the word more than once. Once you manage to get all the tiles to turn green, you'll know that you've solved the puzzle. To share your results with friends, click the Share button and paste the results into a text or post. It'll show up as a fun grid of gray, yellow, and green squares, showing how you got to that final word.